second one is ringing. Cool, right? Hi everyone, today I brought to you this dual kitchen timer. It comes like this, compact and really nice design, and it has this little metal to test the magnet, so you can stick it on your appliances like your fridge or your oven. It's really strong. All you need to do is turn it to the back and switch it on using this mute button. Okay, it's dual, so it has two, below and up, and you can work them at the same time, both of them. Let's reset the timer by long pressing, and let's long press here. All we need to do, if we twist to the left, it will start from 99 minutes, all right? But if we twist it to the right side, okay, it will give you the 1 minute timer, like 1, 2, 3, instead of from the 99 down. If we do a little press here, it will start the timer. Let's see how we do the dual now. Let's press the below, okay, and give it 21 seconds. Let me see, 15 seconds. And start. So that's what's so cool about it, is that you can do dual timing if you are cooking, or if you're doing two things at the same time and you need timer for both of them. This is very helpful. So this is the first timer. Let's wait for the second one. I'm waiting for the second one. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now the second one is ringing. Cool, right? Let's stop it by pressing the mute button from the back side. I hope you like my little video, and thank you for watching.